Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Eric Ruhland from the St. Paul Pet Hospital. As with a lot of our informational videos, today we're going to be tackling a topic that I get a lot of questions about. Specifically, today it's microchipping. Why microchipping is so important and why do we need to do it with our pets? It's very simple. Microchipping is a very simple procedure that is the installation of a little chip that is about the size of the end of a pen. The tip of a pen, and I'm not talking about the tip of the pen here, but the very end of the very tip of the pen, the first centimeter or so. The microchip is actually implanted underneath the skin of cats and dogs so that we can correctly identify them if they are ever adopted to an animal shelter, to the police, the pound, any animal shelters or rescue groups or any veterinary clinics. They have these little special wands that are about the size of a deck of cards, and they wand each patient as they come in or as a stray comes in. And if for example your pet is not microchipped and it leaves home and it's gone for more than 24 hours, let's say your pet runs away, there's about an 80% chance that your pet's not going to make it home, unfortunately. But if they have a microchip, there's actually an 80% chance that they will make it home. So it's a very simple procedure. The costs range at veterinary clinics anywhere from $40 up to probably $60 to have them put in and put under the skin of your pet, of your cat or dog. It's a very quick procedure, takes as long as a vaccination appointment would take. Both of my dogs have been done, and I always recommend that at puppy checkups, at the first puppy checkup we can do it, or at any stage in their life. Even if a dog is 10 years old, we still want to be able to know that they're microchipped and that they can talk for themselves if they ever show up at a humane society or at an animal shelter, because a lot of times when they slip off their collars or they lose their collars, there's no way of knowing who's going to find them, and there's no way for them to talk for themselves. And a microchip gives them a voice and gives them an ability to say, yes, I am owned by Dr. Eric Ruhland, I am Maverick Ruhland, and this is my address, this is where I live in St. Paul or wherever. So vitally important, very simple procedure, really no excuse to not get it done. Get it done right away, not only for if your pets are leaving, but if you have a very high dollar or very valuable pet, whether it's a purebred dog or a purebred cat, those pets do get stolen, unfortunately, and there are unscrupulous people out there that will just take pets. We've had great success stories of pets making it back to their owners, pets that make it multiple states away or that wander, or old geriatric pets that leave out of their yard. They've been in the home for years and they left the yard and they went and wandered 2 miles away because they were old and had cognitive dysfunction, and the pound picked them up, and sure enough, here came Duke back to their house after months, and we've had many great success stories like that. So just to reiterate, microchipping, ask your veterinarians about it. Obviously at the St. Paul Pet Hospital we provide that procedure. Very quick, takes us about 5 minutes to do, and once we get you registered, you're in the computer for forever. So anyways, that's about it for microchipping. Hopefully see you around the great city of St. Paul, and we'll see you at the St. Paul Pet Hospital.